Okay, that's really great. And please keep on reading and listening. These are the two great elements of learning any language. Okay, these are the best elements to learn any language effectively. And if you're reading and listening daily something, it will make the language amazing because you're going to get there something new, something great, which you never know before. You are speaking what you know already, but what you are reading, you are listening what you don't know. Getting it? Suppose, for example, if you know any movie which is good, but still you have watched it, will you have the same interest to watch it again? No, literally not. Getting it? You won't have the same interest to watch that movie again. But the problem is what? If you are, why? Because you won't feel they're entertaining anymore. You are going to have something new, something great. Same case over here as well, that if you are reading something, you read because you don't know it. You read something because you don't know. So read every day, reading and listening. You don't know, that's why you are listening something. So I want you to go with reading and listening every day. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. Yesterday we have finished with some of the prepositions here. Now we are going to go today with across. Now, as we know, what's the meaning of across and when do we use it? Who can tell me?
सर आसपास की चीजों को के लिए
सर
Okay,
अक्रॉस यहाँ से वहाँ.
correct. Actually, across means what? यहाँ से वहाँ. आसपास का मतलब होता है around, around, about. Okay, about, around, around, all these are what? आसपास में. Across, across मतलब है नहीं यहाँ से वहाँ किसी चीज को क्रॉस करना. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना रोड क्रॉस कर रहा हूँ मैं. So I'm crossing the road means what? That across, go across the road, go across the river. So cross the road, go across the river, and go cross the road, go across the road. Okay, means what? We are crossing something and then we are moving to the another place. Yeah, so here we go. Across, the dog swam across the river means what? From here it went to the next side. That's what across. So the dog swam across the river. They don't have given here many of the examples, but I'm going to have it from the dictionary of Cambridge so that you can understand it well. That when to use across and how to use it with the sentences. Okay, across and cross both are the same. Again, would like to tell you one more thing. Across and cross both are the same. Now, from one side to the other of something with clear limits, that's called across. So this is the definition. So means what? Are just crossing our across जो है मतलब यानी यहाँ से वहाँ जाना. So this is called cross. So cross and across both are the same, such as an area of land, road, or a river. For example, she walked across the field. मतलब यहाँ से डायरेक्ट उसने उसको क्रॉस कर कर गई है वहां पर. She walked across the road. रोड को क्रॉस कर कर गई है. They are building a new bridge across the river. रिवर के उस पार में. Across the river, उस पार. रिवर के उस पार. They are standing across the river. Can we say like this? Yes, absolutely. Because हम उस पार की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ से हटकर उस पार में. Okay, इसको क्रॉस करेंगे तो फिर उसका आएगा वो. For example, I can say America is across the Pacific Ocean. America is across the Pacific Ocean. I can say like this. Pacific Ocean पार करके America है वहाँ पर. According to us. Now, when I reached the river, I simply swam across. When I reached the river, I simply swam across the river. मतलब मैंने एक साइड से दूसरी जगह में रिवर को स्विम कर कर गया. So this is what cross and across both are the same. Now across, we use across for as a preposition, as an adverb as well. Across means the other side of the something, one from one side to the other of something which has sides from limits such as city, road, river, etc. Okay, good. Can you please give me some sentences like this? I've given you the definition of across in detail. So across, we can use it for city, for road, for rivers, etc. Across city, country, for roads, for rivers, etc. Yes, can you please give me some sentences now here for across?
He's looking
Yes,
across the book.
he's
Looking
looking
for
across the
across.
book. मतलब book के उस side में देख. Not exactly, huh? Not exactly. Because कोई जो चीज को आप लोग क्रॉस कर सकते हैं, where we are going to use there across and cross. Book को हम लोग क्रॉस थोड़ी करते हैं. So we can't use there. cross and across. All right.
You
Yes.
will find that shop across the road.
Very good. Across the road. You'll find the shop across the road. Road के उस तरफ. उसको मतलब बोलेंगे across. Yeah.
Can you swim across the river?
Can you swim across the river? Next.
Me and
There's
my friend were going across MG Road.
Very good. Across MG Road. MG Road. MG Road पार करके. Correct. Across MG Road. Yes.
So in the case of along, we can use on preposition also, right? Like I was walking on the road with my dog because it will be on, right? But here there's been given some space over here between the arrow and the box, green box.
Now I'll tell you the difference between on and there along. If you see, I'm just making the diagram over here so that you can understand it well.
Yes, sir.
Suppose this is the road, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If someone is walking on the road, so the person will be here, will be going like this, correct? He can be here, he can be here, walking the here, walking. And
Yes,
along
sir.
means what? Means according to the road only. If the road is going like this, so he'll go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this only. And on means what? On the surface. On the surface. And where the road is going, if the road is going like this, like this, like this, like this, so the person will be walking like this, like this, like this, like this, like this only.
Okay,
This
sir.
is called along. And on means what? On the just on that path. On the path. That's it.
Oh,
So
okay,
on,
sir.
we can use it. But the meanings are different. Both of them, they contain the different meanings.
So and in the on mostly it is not walking, right? It is stationary
Correct.
when we use
Generally,
on.
we don't select. Yeah. But for the
Like the
ideological meaning,
pouch
we
is
can use it.
kept on the table, so it will be stationary. It won't be moving. And then
Exactly,
along,
exactly.
mostly everything will be moving across a long
Moving.
path.
Correct, correct.
Okay, sir.
But sometimes what happens, along also contains, some stationary things. For example, the headphones are along with me.
Yeah, sir.
So we can't say that the headphones would be running. So here we can use that headphones are along with me. So I can just use it for
So
stationary things
what's
as
the
well.
major difference between along and on?
See, generally I don't think so, but along means what? When something is near to you and you are just belonging to that thing. So we just use there along. And on means what? Just we are using for the surface, but we don't belong to that place. For example, my car is along with me, means it is along with me.
Okay, sir.
And I
Like
can
we
say, see,
own that thing.
yeah, means you own that thing. It is along
Yeah.
with me. And on, suppose for example, the speaker is belong to me, means the speaker is along with me. Mere saath mein hai.
Yes, sir.
Means it's with me. And the speaker is on my head. Now this is quite different. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Along with me and on
It's
me means
always
what?
used for surface only, the word on.
Yeah, apps especially.
We can also use by. The headphone is by me.
एब्सोल्युटली, ये तो मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था आप लोगों को. बाय मी, आप लोगों को मैंने आई थिंक 2-3 बार बीच में बोला भी था कुछ ऐसे एडवर्टाइजमेंट का नाम लेकर भी. Brought to you by Tata Chemicals, brought to you by Ambani's, brought to you by this and that. The companies contain their names and all, so they just write like this only. Brought to you by, उनके जरिए. And for now we can use it for with me as well. For example, it is with me. The speaker is with me. See, preposition is what in English? They say one condition contains multiple prepositions, and it is absolutely true and wrong. It is not wrong. It is absolutely correct. If you see, the speaker is with me. Listen to me carefully, all of you. The speaker is with me. मेरे साथ में है. The speaker is by me. मेरे पास में है. The speaker is along with me. कोई भी इंसान ये तीनों चीजों को मना नहीं कर सकता. तीनों का मीनिंग सेम आता है. मेरे साथ में, मेरे साथ में. The speaker is along with me. The speaker is by me. The speaker is with me. All are correct. Getting it? बोल सकते हैं. अलग अलग प्रीपोजिशंस को अलग अलग टाइम पे हम लोग ऐसे अलग अलग तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. So please keep. Hello. हाँ.
So can we use two prepositions in one sentence? Hello.
Yeah, continue please. I'm really sorry. Yeah, Adnan,
Sir, can two prepositions both
repeat once again.
in one in the speaker is
Except
along
for
with me. Along. Hello.
yeah. See, as I yesterday explained this along, so we can use there along me. You can't say just only along me. For example, the speaker is along me. ऐसे डायरेक्टली नहीं बोलेंगे. Along with me मेरे साथ में है. Along with me मेरे पास में है, मेरे साथ में है. Along with me उसके साथ में है. So the person is going along the road. उसके साथ साथ में जा रहा है, जहाँ जहाँ रोड जा रहा है वो.
Okay.
ऐसा.
Sir, we can
Yeah.
use
So
along. Person is going along with the road or along the road. We can say anyone.
yeah, we can say anyone because वो property नहीं ना, उसके साथ में नहीं ना वो. So we don't have to just put there every time necessary that we have to put there along with the road. We can say along the road. Go along the road. Go along the bridge. We don't have to say go along with the bridge. ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है. But if you are saying go along with the bridge, तो बोल सकते कोई problem नहीं. आपके साथ में रख के जाओ bridge को, ऐसा meaning होता है उसका. Both are correct. Yes, across. Can you please give me some sentences with across? Yes,
It's a villager across the road.
repeat.
There is a villager across the road.
Correct. There's a villager across the road. Yes, give me sentences, please.
My home
Across.
is across that shop.
Correct. My home is across that shop.
She was
उस
standing
shop के उस
across
पार
the
है.
hospital.
Correct. Across the hospital. Hospital के उस पार है. For example, there is a village across the mountain. Mountain पार करके जब आप लोग जाएंगे तो उसके उस तरफ में है. Across the mountain. Mountain पार करके जाएंगे तो.
China
Yes.
is across the Himalayas.
Correct. China is across the Himalayas. Very nice. Yes. Continue.
There is a hospital across the station.
There is a hospital across the station.
Researchers have come across important new evidence.
Very good.
Help them to across
Researchers
the
have-
road.
Repeat.
Help them to across the road.
Correct. Tell them
सर
to come
ये
across the road.
रिसर्चर्स हैव कम अक्रॉस इंपॉर्टेंट न्यू एविडेंस, तो ऐसे किस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं कि रिसर्चर्स कुछ न्यू एविडेंस को
एविडेंस
across
पास कर
करके
कर आए हैं,
लेकर आए
मतलब यानी एविडेंस लेकर आए हैं साथ में वो, ऐसा हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. अक्रॉस मतलब यानी उसके जरिए आए हैं, उसमें से आए हैं वो लोग, कुछ चीजों को छान कर लेकर आए हैं, ऐसा उसका बोलने का मतलब है वो. आई हैव कम अक्रॉस सम एविडेंसेस. मैं कुछ एविडेंसेस के पास में आया हूँ, मतलब यानी कुछ एविडेंस को छान कर लाया हूँ मैं, ऐसा.
अच्छा,
तो इसके साथ में अपन along with भी लगा सकते हैं ना, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा वो.
हाँ,
Evidence
तो उसका
लेके
मीनिंग
आया
अलग हो
है.
जाएगा
अच्छा.
कि वो साथ में लेकर आया वो, और वो उसको छान कर लाया बोले तो वो अलग हो जाता है वो. दैट्स व्हाट अक्रॉस. अलॉन्ग विद भी लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है, दोनों साथ में लिखा हुआ है इसके लिए.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
उसके साथ में लाया आपने. यस, कंटिन्यू. Continue please. Across. Yes.
There are two rivers across the
There is a
mountain.
cliche in English. English में cliche है. एक हमारा न्यू बैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है from Monday, which is high level batch. High level conversation will be there from an American book. The book is this one. English Conversation Practice by Grant Taylor. This book is purely from New York. From this book, I'll be teaching you their conversation. ये book से आप लोगों को conversation पढ़ाया जाएगा वहाँ पर.
New York.
In this book, we have more than 134 topics, and beautiful topics are there for conversation. So, apart from this one, ये class का fee मैंने रखा था 5,000 rupees. But अभी जैसे कि situation है, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने students लोगों के लिए help करने के लिए मैंने उन लोगों को fee उसका आधे का आधा कर दिया हूँ per month. That's what 1,500 rupees per month. It is like nothing. कुछ भी नहीं है. So it is like nothing, and the fee is only 1,500 rupees per month. The batch will be going around for 3 months, and here we are going to give you advanced level vocabulary, cliches, idioms, proverbs, high level conversation from this American book, and Scottish book is there, which is from Europe, UK का book है. That is what you are going to get the high level vocabulary, high level verbs and proverbs, sayings, cliches, idioms, euphemisms, figures of speech आप लोग को वहाँ पर सीखने के लिए मिलेगा उस that batch में. Okay, so if you want, so you can take the admission. For example, अभी जैसे कि मैंने बोला अभी यहाँ पर एक sentence आया था. अब आप लोग ऐसा बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे जब आप लोग वो बैच ज्वाइन करेंगे, तो बोलना आपका ऐसा हो जाएगा. When you come across the bridge, please call me. मतलब क्या होता है इसका? क्या मतलब है इसका?
ब्रिज के उस पार
ये
जाएंगे
सेंटेंस,
तो प्लीज कॉल
यस,
कीजिए.
सेंटेंस मतलब क्या है? यस.
ब्रिज क्रॉस होने के बाद में कॉल करो मेरे को.
इसका मतलब है जब आप जिंदगी में कभी तकलीफ में होंगे ना, तो मुझे याद करना. Okay. So this is the kind of English which I'm going to teach you there in my class with high level proverbs, cliches and idioms and all. ये सब आप लोगों को वहाँ पर देखने के लिए मिलेगा. उसके एक झलक मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ. If you want, so you can take a screenshot as well. वो सिर्फ एक छोटा सा टिप है बस. सुसाइड के लिए हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? मेक अ सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस. फ्रेशर के लिए नया वर्ड है नाइव. नेक्स्ट, ह्यूमिलिएटिंग, इंसल्टिंग, लुक डाउन. उसके लिए लुक डाउन बोलेंगे हम लोग. किसी को अगर बोलना है कि इंसल्ट मत करो मेरा, सो यू कैन से प्लीज डोंट लुक डाउन एट मी. हैंड्स इन पैंट्स मीन्स व्हाट? रेस्टलेस. हेल्पिंग हैंड्स मीन्स व्हाट? द गाइडिंग लाइट. एग्नी अंकल, एग्नी आंट मीन्स द पर्सन हु इज द गुड एडवाइजर. गुड एडवाइजर के लिए वर्ड्स हैं ये. Spend the town red means to enjoy. I will spend the town red after learning. Next, the ball is in your court means the decision is yours and your turn is there now. अभी फैसला आपके हाथ में है. Keep it in a bench मतलब है नहीं, इसको साइड में रखते हैं, बाद में बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. Eat a humble pie. Getting back from the failure means what? ठोकर खा के घर को वापस आना. बाप बोल सकता है if you are leaving the house now you will have to eat a humble pie. अगर यहाँ से घर छोड़ के कभी गया, अदनान तो ऐसे बोल सकती वो, अगर आपने मेरे को छोड़े तो आपको मुंह की ठोकर खानी पड़ेगी. नेक्स्ट, एडहॉक. एडहॉक ये मैंने आगे लगाया. एडहॉक क्लास मीन्स व्हाट? द पर्टिकुलर क्लास, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव क्लास मीन्स व्हाट? फॉर पर्टिकुलर पर्पस. नेक्स्ट, एड फ्यूल टू द फायर. जले पे नमक छिड़कना. एड इंसल्ट टू इंजरी मीन्स किसी चीज को और बेकार बना देना. नेक्स्ट, अलाइव एंड किकिंग मीन्स व्हाट? आई एम वेल. अगेंस्ट द क्लॉक, गोइंग अगेंस्ट द क्लॉक, किसी चीज के खिलाफ बात करना. कॉक एंड बुल्स, नॉनसेंस. Clear the air means to make the matter clear. Into thin air means what? Nowhere. कुछ भी nonsense बातें कर रहा है तो किसी को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं फेंक मत means what? Please don't talk into thin air. Hot air means what? Boasting. Please don't talk in hot air. Please don't give hot air मतलब है नहीं, फेंको मत please. Next, walk on air means what? Very happy. In ecstasy. Ecstasy आपके लिए शायद नया word हो सकता है maybe. So I'm in ecstasy मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हद से ज़्यादा खुशी में हूँ. All in sundry means what? Everything. Day in day out means what? Every day. I work day in day out means what? I work every day. Golden age means what? The great achievement. At the juncture means what? Right now. मैं अक्सर ये यूज करते रहता हूँ. Please call me later. I'm busy at the juncture. मैं भी फिलहाल में busy हूँ. In the witching hour means what? At midnight. The people who are reading in the witching hour, they'll become successful. Means what? Witching hour, midnight 12 o'clock. और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं ऐसी आप लोगों को देखने के लिए मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज व्हाट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वन. एज कूल एज cucumber means what? Very cool. As smooth as feather. As deaf as post. You know, Peter came in my house yesterday as deaf as a post. You know, that man is as tough as old boots. I'm patient as Job. That's really the fake thing. As sharp as a razor. His tongue is as sharp as a razor. कुछ भी बोलता है यार, बड़ी तेज ये उसका टंग जबान है. He was as swift as an arrow. बहुत ही जबरदस्त, बहुत ही फास्ट था. As clear as pie, as easy as pie, as simple as ABC. ये मैंने मेरी पोस्ट के अंदर कभी कुछ दिन पहले यूज किया हूँ. As wise as Solomon. You know, my uncle is as wise as Solomon. It was yesterday. It was hot as hell. Oh, my aunt, she is as sly as fox. Getting it? The matter is as clear as daylight. So you can go with these words. अब आप लोग ये सोच सकते हैं कि ये लेवल का इंग्लिश जब आप लोग की जिंदगी में आएगा, तबीयत खुश हो जाएगी. And we have the evening batch for this one, 7:15. So when you come across the bridge, please call me. Means what? जब आप आएंगे हमें बता देना, हम आपकी हेल्प जरूर करेंगे. We are going to rescue you. Let's go for the next one. Across. Next one is what? Past. Past बहुत ही easy है. Past मतलब यानी सबको पता ही रहेगा. Past गुजर जाना. Okay? They walked past me without speaking. They walked past me without speaking. Excuse me, how do I get to the hospital? Go along this road. ये रोड के साथ साथ जाओ जहाँ ये रोड जाता है. Past the cinema. Cinema pass करो. Cinema पे रुकना नहीं. Don't wait at the cinema. Past the cinema. Go under the bridge. Bridge के नीचे. Go under the bridge. होगा यहाँ पर. हाँ. Under the bridge. And the hospital is on the left. The hospital is on the left. Here is the hospital. Getting it? So go along the road. Road के साथ साथ जाओ. Go past the cinema. Cinema छोड़ो. Go under the bridge. Bridge के अंदर नीचे जाओ. And the hospital is on the left. This is the address. So in the address you're going to use all these things. Can you please give me some sentences with past? Past. If you want to go to Depkan Library, you have to go past Azam campus gates. Azam campus की gate को छोड़ के फिर आगे जाना पड़ेगा आपको. If you want to go to Unani Hospital, go past Pune College and Angadu Boys High School. चलो भाई. Make sentences, please, all of you.
You have to pass Koregaon Park to reach Kalyani Nagar.
Correct. You have to go past Koregaon Park to reach Kalyani Nagar.
I'll meet you at 5:30.
Very good. I'll meet you up 5:30. 5:30. छोड़कर. Yes, continue.
You can get there by passing that street.
Correct. You can get there by passing that gate.
So
Yes,
what
continue.
does 5:30 mean?
5:30 means what?
So
5:30.
Right?
5:30.
Correct. 5:30. 5:30.
5:30 होता है ना.
5:30 नहीं होता वो. 5:30 होता वो.
So there are 5 meals in a day, you had told, right? Which were those? The morning one will be 5 meals in a day. Like you had told lunch, dinner,
Breakfast.
brunch.
Then we have brunch. Then we have lunch. Then we have supper. Then we have dinner.
Yes, so.
Continue. Clock भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा किसी दिन फुर्सत से. Don't worry. Yes, can you please give me some sentences with past? Guys, please don't quiet, huh? Don't be quiet. Make sentences. Shakir bhai, what's wrong with you? You're not making sentences nowadays.
If you want to crack it, you have to pass the exam.
ना my dear, वो past है. ये past नहीं है. वो past है past. This is past मतलब नहीं छोड़कर जाना. She passed me without speaking. मुझे छोड़कर गई वो. मेरे पास से बाजू से गई ऐसा. बिना बात किए.
ये बात.
Yes, continue.
You
Go
will
past the
find
mall, the petrol pump. Yes,
you will find in Orbit Mall past Phoenix Mall.
correct.
If you want to arrive there, pass that street.
Correct. Yes. Past. Go past the road.
When you passed from there, talk to him.
When he passed, talk to him. Past होने के बाद में talk कैसे करेगा? अच्छा phone
I
पे.
tried to catch his eye, but he stared right past me.
Okay. Okay.
I hope you might have seen great cafes go past this road.
Correct. By going past this road, okay. Go past this road, you might have seen the cafe. ये रोड छोड़कर आप जब आगे गए होंगे तो आपको कैफे दिखा होगा. Correct.
Go past the market to arrive in mall. To mall.
Catch his eyes का मतलब मुतवज्जा होना चाहता था होगा ना.
Repeat once again.
Catch his eyes means मैं उससे मुतवज्जा होना चाहता था बट वो निकल गया मेरे इधर से. ऐसे ही.
बोल सकते हैं. बोल सकते हैं, करेक्ट है, बोल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें. यस, गॉस भाई मेक सेंटेंसेस, शाकिर भाई मेक सेंटेंसेस.
This
Yes,
road is
past.
too dangerous. We can't pass it easily.
Correct. But can't pass it easily. This is verb. Huh? This is not this fast.
You might get some vendors alongside the road past Lulanagar Bridge.
Correct. Correct.
Go past that left.
Alongside बनाया भी यहाँ पे शाकिर भाई ने. You will find that some vendors alongside the bridge, alongside the road. If you go past the bridge.
तो करेक्ट है क्या लेकिन alongside ये?
Pardon?
Alongside में करेक्ट है ये?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं है? Alongside मतलब उसके साइड में है, उसी रास्ते पे उसके साइड में है, बराबर ना? Simple. Absolutely
If we
correct.
say that they walked across me without speaking, so what's the difference between this and that sentence?
They walked across me. मुझे पार कर
And they
गए.
walked past me.
पास्ट में मतलब मुझे छोड़कर गए, मेरे बाजू से चले गए. पास्ट में मतलब मेरे बाजू से गए. अक्रॉस के अंदर मुझे पार करके गए. अबे ऐसे जनरली तो मैंने सुना नहीं कहीं पे अक्रॉस मी.
ऐसा एक सेंटेंस मैंने सुना था लेकिन they walked by me without speaking.
हाँ, they walked by me मतलब मेरे पास में से गुजर कर गए. पास्ट. पास्ट में मतलब मैंने मुझे छोड़कर गए, मुझे बिना देखे यहाँ से निकल कर गए.
मतलब बहुत
Across
सारे
में
मीनिंग है, अपन कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. दूसरी बात है यहाँ पर जैसे भी मैडम बोल रही है, they walked across me मतलब यानी मेरे आसपास से कहीं से तो गुजर कर गए वो. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं उसको. आसपास से मेरे गुजर कर गए. They walked across me. मेरे आसपास से गुजर कर गए ऐसा. पर मेरे बाजू से ही नहीं. यहाँ पर पास्ट का मतलब है बाजू से गुजर के जाना. सामने बाजू से जाना उसे. By me. Past me. Yes, continue.
If you want to pick her, you have to pass left road.
Correct. Go past the left road. Yes.
Go sir, वो यूज करना जरूरी है उसके आगे, मतलब उसके पहले.
अच्छा रहेगा ना, इजी समझ में आएगा. Go past. वहाँ से जाओ. Or you can say directly pass the
left.
cinema. Means what? You are going. Absolutely. Yes.
But if we
Pass the
use
cinema.
beside, then
Repeat.
if we use beside, then
गलत हो जाएगा वो. Beside का मतलब बाजू में होता है मैडम. And generally we use beside for the stationary things. For example, there is no one beside me. I can't say there is no one by me. Generally. Okay.
He drove car past the Pune College.
Okay.
You'll find the ATM just past Nawazi's shop.
कुत्ते की गाड़ी चलाते हैं ना पुणे वाले पे बार जैसे कि इसको नंबर देने के लिए खड़ी हुई है. लल्लू आज तेरे को नंबर देती मैं इसको. क्या लड़की लोग को दिखाने के लिए इधर मरते हुए. बुलशिट. क्या भगाते क्या मालूम. और आगे आके अगले चौक में आके बिखर जाते धाड़. अरे
Yes.
क्या जरूरत पड़ रही है. और सबसे थर्ड क्लास बाइक वो KTM. सॉरी टू से दिस, अगर आप लोग फैन है उसके तो.
Yes sir. पता नहीं उसको हायाबुसा समझते हैं.
तो उसके ऊपर बैठने के बाद में ना उसको ऐसा लगता है मैं वाहन में बैठा हूँ बहुत बड़े. चलो
I
नेक्स्ट वन.
pass.
या फरमाइए.
You will find there a park.
I pass. Talk him.
एक क्यों नहीं मेरे भाई.
It is right, sir.
नहीं मेरे भाई गलत हो गया. I passed him without talking. ऐसे बोल सकते हैं.
Pardon, sir.
मैं उसके पास से गया. I passed him without talking. Yeah, I passed him without talking. Okay, unit number 111 we are going to have it. This is the last lecture of our prepositions which we are going to have today. On, at, by, with, about, etc. As we know well that when to use on, when to use at, when to use by, when to use with as well. So we are going to continue. We are going to go with the reading once. Then you can practice this at home. And especially we are going to focus here on about. All right. For example, on. First, we are going to see on. When to use on. As we know well that we are using on for surface, and especially we are using on for some ideas as well. Now, for example, on holiday. So Jane isn't at work this week. She's on holiday. So here they are using on for the activities and emotions. Now, next one, on television. We watch the news on television. So it is not surface, it is what the idea. Next, on the radio. We listen to the news on the radio. Next, on the phone. I spoke to Raquel on the phone last night. Next one, on fire. The house is on fire. Please call the fire brigades. On fire. On time. Next one, on time means what? Equals no late. Okay. Now, was the train late? No, it was on time. Means what? Time per thi wo. So we can use here on for some activities, some emotions and ideas as well. Next one, same case, at. At we are using for some activities, some general ideas as well. For example, at the age of 21. So वहां पर देखो, प्लीज ध्यान दीजिए, उसने आप लोगों के लिए खास खुला खुला लिख कर दिया है वहां पर. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे एज के ऊपर एट कैसा यूज कर रहा भाला, तो भल्ले के उधर देखो जरा. तो वहां पे देखो, अगर आप लोग ध्यान देंगे तो उसके अंदर है वहां पर at 21. I can, for example, I started my class at 16. At 16 कैसे बोल सकते हैं? ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, at the age of 16. So at the age of 16, the age of बोलना जरूरी नहीं है. रमे दो कटिंग दे, obviously दो कप कटिंग दे, obviously भगोने में नहीं देने वाला, वो कप में ही देने वाला. that कप बोलना जरूरी नहीं है. It is not necessary to say the cup. Obviously we know that we are going to have the tea in the cup. कप में पीना है भाई, हमको मालूम है. So we don't have to say there the cup. Next one, at the age of 21. At 50 kilometers per hour. अब यहाँ पर आने के चाहिए था at the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So they have just given there at 50. Amir was running his bike. Amir was accelerating his bike at 51. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
No, it is Raquel. It is Raquel. TH का साउंड वहां पर ख आएगा, ख. Raquel. Next one, at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 100 degrees. For example, Lisa got married at 21. Means what? At the age of 21. Next one, a car uses more petrol at 20 kilometer per hour than at 90. So at 120 kilometers or at 90 kilometers. Next one, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. All right, so we can just add here for these things as well. As we know well, by, we can use by for multiple things and multiple purposes as well. So we can just have a look here for by. You have to practice this at home, and if you have any questions regarding this after solving the exercises and all, you can get back to me. Next one, by. We can use by when something is near us. जब कोई चीज साथ में रहेगी, beside रहेगी, हम लोग वहां पर use कर सकते हैं by. For example, my book is by me. मेरी बुक मेरे साथ में है, मेरे पास में है. So my book is by me. My headphones are by me. So my headphones are by me. मेरे पास में है, मेरे साथ में. Now we can use by for multiple things. For example, by car, by bus, by plane, by plane, by train, by bike, etc. For example, do you like traveling by train? Do you like traveling by train? Jane goes to work by bike. Jane goes to work by bike, and Jane goes to work on foot. Okay, on foot. But foot के लिए क्या लगेगा? On लगेगा. Why? उसके ऊपर जाती है वो. By मतलब यानी साथ में पैर ऐसे साथ में ले लेती, ऐसे दबाती फिर जाती वो. ऐसे तो नहीं जाती ना. इसके लिए by foot नहीं आएगा. Generally, by foot नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पर पूरा एकदम झटके में क्लियर कर दिया उसने मीनिंग. बाय का मतलब होता क्या? बाय का मतलब साथ में होता है. अब पैर साथ में रख के थोड़ी बोले मैं जा रही, बोले साइकिल पे बैठ के. ऑन फूट, फूट पर जा रही है वो, पैदल, पैरों पैरों पे. So but on foot we can say, for example, you can't get there by car, you have to go on foot. You can't get there by car, you have to go on foot. Means what? You have to walk. So we can say by foot. No, sorry, on foot, not by foot. Next one, a book by, a painting by, a piece of music by, etc. This song is by Atif Aslam. That song is by Helena's. That song is by Adrian Sina. This book is by Brenda Hornby. This book is by Robert Frost. This poem is by Charles Dickens. So we can just have like this. Bullshit. Yesterday I was making the video at night. It was 12:15. At night it was 12:15. And I was expecting to make a very good video. Unfortunately, there were some hogs nearby my locality. They were just running sometimes rickshaw, brrrr, sometimes bullet, third, 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 third class. You will never ever find Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Lakshmi Mittal, Adani, Ambani, many other personalities are there. You will never ever find any decent person containing like this bike. Dhar, dhar, bung, 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 bung. Why? Because these decent people, they have very decent bikes, very decent cars. It shows their intelligence, it shows their mentality, it shows their personality. Do you know, in plane, what company provides the tire? प्लेन के अंदर कौन से टायर का, कौन सी कंपनी का टायर चलता है, पता है आपको?
No, sir.
Do you know? वाओ, पता रहना चाहिए यार, अजीब नई चीज है ना, यूनिक है. नहीं पता है तो कोई गुनाह नहीं है, बट यू शुड नो, अच्छी चीज है. Do you know when plane takes off and lands, they have to change the tire? क्योंकि आपने ऐसे नहीं बोले 3 साल से रगड़ रहा मैं उसको अभी खराब हो गया, अभी कल बदलूंगा ना, जब 3-4 बार एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा ना, चाची पीछे गिरेंगे कटर बिटर में, बदलूंगा. In planes, they change the tire after landing, every landing, most of all, and they use the company Dunlop. No MRF, no Michelin, no Seat, no Piat, कुछ थर्ड क्लास टायर यूज नहीं करते वो लोग. They use that Dunlop tire. Dunlop, the company which makes the tire for airplanes. Dunlop company. Before, Dunlop used to produce tires of our bikes as well. I've been searching in Pune city. I haven't got even a single shop to give the tire of Dunlop for my bike. गुटखा बोलो, हर चीज केसरी. आहा, अजय देवगन, विमल का एडवर्टाइज. आहा, विमल, दारू ये मिलेंगे, पर अच्छी चीज ढूंढो वो नहीं मिलेगी. वो आपने करने नहीं है आपने करने नहीं. ये बुक को मैं ढूंढ रहा, इन्हें पण करने नहीं है. पैनियन 3-4 साल से ढूंढ रहा, उन्हें पण हमारे करने नहीं है, तो करने नहीं है उनके करने. चलो, let's go back. So this is what exactly it will show your personality, that what are you wearing, how your hair is, how you look, and what are you doing, even how you eat. Your eating will show how intelligent are you. बोले मैं कैरी खा रहा नमक लगेंगे. बोले मैं पेरू खा रही. अरे वो पेरू और वो कैरी. बोले पूना कॉलेज के बाहर मिलने की ना, आटा नहीं की तो कैरी खा रही. बोले दाबेली खा रहा. बोले this dabeli, this curry will show your mentality. How are you? Remember this. If you are going to a hotel and what are you ordering, it matters a lot. आप order क्या कर रहे हैं? Suppose for example, if you're going to a hotel, you're ordering something. Once what happened, one of my acquaintance was there. I shouldn't say like this. I went to a hotel and they were just waiting for me to have it. There was chicken biryani. Sorry, there was chicken, roasted chicken was there. Fried chicken. We've got it. So they took the fork and spoon like this and they started eating. अरे मैं बोला, अरे बाप रे, बहुत बड़ा खर्चा दिख रहा है मेरे को आप लोगों में. How to have it? It matters a lot. It will show your etiquette, your personality. How you're going to behave in front of people. So please get ready for this one. How should you wear a dress? And do you know one more thing? What a gentleman looks and sees in the mirror. Who can tell me this one? I think I have given you the answer before. So quiet, everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you are sleeping, all of you.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
There's my network problem, sir.
When a gentleman is there, when he wears clothes, what does he see in the mirror?
क्लीन है क्या नहीं सर, क्या है?
हाँ, क्या देखता है वो?
मैच करता सर वो शूज वगैरह सब मैचिंग है क्या नहीं?
When a gentleman is there, he sees his back in the mirror. वो अपना बैक देखता है मिरर के अंदर. वो नहीं देखता मैं कैसे दिख रहा, लाली बराबर लगी कि नहीं, पेडिक्योर और मैनिक्योर, इधर से लाल, इधर से पीला, इधर से नीला करके ऐसा बराबर. हाँ. He sees the back because front he is seeing the live. फ्रंट तो पूरा देख ही रहा है वो. He sees especially the back. चलो. Now a book by, a painting by, a piece of music by, etc. Have you read any books by Charles Dickens? नाम लिया इसने. Have you read any books by Charles Dickens? Who is that painting by? Who is that painting by? Picasso? Really? Okay. Or we can use it in passive voice. Passive voice को छोड़ो, अभी नहीं वो. I was bitten by a dog. Okay. So this is what we can use by for multiple things. Next one. With and without. There we are going to have. अब मैंने आपको इसका example पहले दिया था, आपको अभी याद आएगा कि हाँ बाबा इसने कुछ ऐसा बोला था. We can use with and without for multiple purposes. As you know well that the speaker is with me. मेरे साथ में है. और जब कोई चीज मेरे अंदर है, मेरे साथ में है, उसके लिए भी मैं with use कर सकता हूँ, without भी use कर सकता हूँ. For example, did you stay at a hotel with friends or without your friends? With friends. Okay, wait for me. Please don't go without me. मेरे बगैर जाना नहीं, आमिर. Okay, wait for me. Please don't go without me. Do you like coffee with or without milk? Milk के साथ में चाहिए आपको कॉफी, क्या चाय पत्ती के साथ में चाहिए? Next, चाय पत्ती के साथ में कभी कॉफी आती क्या?
नो
आप
सर,
ये कहाँ है?
विदाउट मिल्क.
सुन रहे हैं, ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हैं.
सर
Okay, I cut the paper with a pair of scissors. I cut the paper with a pair of scissors. Please cut the watermelon with the knife. नाइफ के साथ में काटो. तो नाइफ के साथ काटो मतलब यानी नाइफ से काटो. ट्रांसलेशन मारेंगे तो उल्टा होता फिर वो. नेक्स्ट वन. A man with a beard, a woman with glasses. A man with a beard and woman with glasses. Do you know that man with the beard? Do you know that man with the beard? A man with a beard. I'd like to have a house with a big garden. Garden के साथ में, garden के साथ वाला जो रहेगा बंगला वो लेने वाला हूँ मैं. I would like to have a big house with a garden. Big garden. Okay? So, can you please call that woman with glasses? Can you please call that man with red shirt? I want to talk to that man with blue jeans. जो blue jeans के साथ में ना वो आदमी को बुला कर लाओ. Can you please call that boy with a satchel? वो जो satchel के साथ में जो boy खड़ा है ना उसको बुला कर लाओ. Please invite the people with red shirts. जो red shirt वाले लोग हैं ना सबको invite करो. Okay? Please serve the people with glasses. खाली जो ग्लास वाले जो लोग हैं ना, मतलब चश्मे वाले जो लोग हैं उन लोगों को खाली सर्व करो, बाकी लोग को मत दो. नेक्स्ट वन, अबाउट. अबाउट को तो सबको पता ही है. We are going to have here. Talk about, speak about, think about, hear about, know about, etc. Okay? Talk about, speak about, think about, hear about, know about, etc. Please. Background noise को कम कीजिए. So know about, talk about, hear about, think about, speak about, tell about, etc. For example, some people talk about their work all the time. Some people talk about their work all the time. I don't know much about cars. Sorry. I don't know much about cars. मुझे cars के बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. I don't know much about cars. Okay. Next one. A book about, a question about, a program about, some information about. For example, there was a program about volcanoes on TV last night. Did you see it? So, I want you to give me some sentences with noun plus about. Noun plus about. And what noun we are going to say there? For example, book about, like this. Okay, book about, program about, or document about, documentary about, or function about, webinar about, next, or lesson about, ads about, etc. Can you please give me some sentences with noun plus about first? This is easy. Then we are going to have verb plus about. For example, verb plus about. For example, talk about, or
Learn about.
speak about. Yes,
Learn about.
learn about,
Sir,
tell me about, tell about yourself.
sir,
Yes, yes.
सर ये अबाउट लगा रहे तो अपन हर चीज में तो मीनिंग एग्जैक्ट आएंगी ना, क्या चेंज होएगा कुछ?
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट आएगी. एग्जैक्ट मतलब ही नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं आपकी मीनिंग.
एग्जैक्ट मतलब जो
देखो.
मीनिंग है अबाउट के बारे में, जो नाउन के साथ लगा हो, वर्ब के साथ लगा हो, एडजेक्टिव के साथ लगा हो तो सेम मीनिंग रहेंगी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा.
ना मुन्ना ना, ऐसा गलती ना करना. ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज यहाँ पे, इसलिए तो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, खास ध्यान दीजिए. Tell about, speak about, learn about, what do you see about me? I want to discuss something about, or confess about, etc. बहुत सारे हैं, verbs के साथ में लगा सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, गौस भाई दामद बरकाता हूँ, यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. गौस भाई,
यस सर.
चुमटी लेके जाना नहीं, इधर ध्यान देने का.
यस सर.
चलो. Now, I am reading a book about conversation. I'm reading a book about conversation. Okay? Next one. मैं एक बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ conversation के बारे में. Next. और दोस्त, अभी ध्यान दीजिए. I am talking about my friends. मैं अभी मेरे दोस्त के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. तो दोनों में फर्क है कि नहीं गौस भाई? गौस भाई काफी बिजी लग रहा है मेरे को. चलो कंटिन्यू प्लीज. कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी सम सेंटेंसेस विद noun about faster?
Pass by in place of past.
Pardon?
यस सर. है.
By in place of past.
Repeat once again, madam. Repeat once again.
Can we use pass by in place of past?
Passed by.
Pass by. PASS.
Passed by. हाँ बोल सकते हैं, पर अभी वापस वही चीज आ गई है. पास्ट एंड पास्ट, पास्ट एंड पास बाय है, दोनों भी सेम ही. सिर्फ आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप उसको यूज कैसे कर रहे हैं वहां पर.
Sir, he
फॉर
passed.
एग्जाम्पल,
How to make it
ध्यान दीजिए.
past and future?
I will pass by him. Correct? मैं उसके बाजू से जाऊंगा. और I will past him. मैं उसको छोड़कर जाऊंगा. समझे मैडम?
Yes, sir.
I will go past him. So I will पास हिम, देखो यहाँ पर ये मना कर रहा है, तो आई विल गो पास्ट हिम ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ मैं, आई विल पास्ट हिम, उसको छोड़कर जाऊंगा, आई विल गो पास्ट बाय हिम. ओके, कंटिन्यू प्लीज. नाउन प्लस अबाउट. गिव मी सम सेंटेंसेस लाइक दिस. नाउन प्लस अबाउट. यस.
Speak
Noun
about
plus about. Yes.
anything about that incident.
Anything about the incident. Yes. Yes. Continue please.
I speak anything
मेरे भाई about कहाँ आया उसके अंदर?
about. I speak about book.
आप लोग ये वाला ले रहे हैं अभी. Verb plus about. I speak about a book.
Noun का लेना है सर.
हाँ पहले noun वाला लो. Talk. Sorry. Book about. Program about. Document about. Function about. Webinar about. Seminar about. Yes. There is a lecture about communication tomorrow. चलो भाई continue.
You should know about technical skills these days.
Speak.
Correct. You should know about technical things these days. Technical skills these days. Yes.
He understood us
Yes.
about the exam.
Correct. About the exam. I'm inquiring about the exam. Yes. Guys, jaldi jaldi कीजिए please because there is a power failure at my place. There is a power failure. Please do it faster. Yes. Yes.
Bad things about that mobile.
Correct. Amir bhai, Shreya ma'am, make sentences please. Mr. Ghosh,
Yes sir.
make sentences. About bikes. About bike. I don't know about.
I learn about English.
I learn about English.
Do you know anything about cricket?
You teach about English.
Very good. Do you know anything about cricket? You teach about English. Yes. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello. Yeah, repeat once again.
Can you speak more about your product?
Correct. Speak about your product. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Very excited
Miss
about,
Shreya. Yes.
very excited about that journey.
I'm excited. I'm very excited about the journey. Yes. Yes. Hello, continue please. Okay, make any sentences with noun or verb with about. About के ऊपर sentence बनाइए please जल्दी जल्दी.
Please don't worry about me.
Please don't worry about.
Hello.